You people can see them. They put my gate on the ground. You people can see. See, look at my vehicles. You know, look at my vehicles. Look at my vehicles. We get Dennis. My vehicles are there. Oh. My vehicles are there. They came without notice. Nothing I did to these people. Since you people can see what is happening, you know, they came without notice, nothing, and they start demolishing. They are breaking down all my fence. Where is Dennis? Dennis, come and remove my motor. Time to wait so that they'll release my vehicle. Time to wait. Time to wait so that they can remove my vehicle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, not that one don't happen again for Kpokpgiri. This Kpokpgiri, it matter not go ever finish for social media. It matter, it not go ever finish for social media, my people. I see the video where they go demolish a house. The thing shocked me like, I can't say, what did this guy do when they go demolish a house like this, you know? So the thing really shocked me when I see the video. The thing really shocked me. I was like, what you call make them go demolish a house like this? You understand, my people? So the thing really shocked me, like, it really shocked me. So when I can't see the video, when he say they cry, saying, go make sure, say, he find out wetin happen. I can't say I be build the house near road, because when you build that near road, now they do person that kind of thing. So the thing called they shock me, say what thing you can't do reach like that when they can't just demolish a house like that, you know. So the thing really shocked me anyway. It really shocked me. It shocked me. It shocked me. So what you can make me surprised is say Tonto just the happy. He writes up for Instagram, not be small thing. She just they happy, they do video with me till they pain Kpokpgiri. So then people come they say, why Tonto they happy like this? Like when they come they make and they dance, they happy like this. That we don't know. You understand, my people? So the thing called they shocktalize me. Say when they make Tonto they happy like this. Because when the Kpokpgiri they talk, they cry, the thing really pain them. Say, hey, house, big house, so it's just demolition. Let me say maybe either you go build them for government land. You know, say if you build them for them, so that they do one. But they must see compensate them, give them money, because they're not for your demolish person house just like that, or you don't tell them they don't fair give them money. Because I said they do one for our brother for a do Tonto Kabaka too, you know. So we don't really know what to make them do this one. You understand? Because Kpokpgiri don't tell me say you know you get notice at all. They don't tell them. That one a lie. They don't tell them, and they must still give you money. They must still give you money. Yeah, they must give you money before they demolish your house. Before they do anything to your house, you understand? So maybe they don't tell her, it is say they don't take her serious. Like they just come like just demolish her. So Kpokpgiri now, as they talk to Nana, he house, they not get house again, they homeless. So if like say we go back to DK now, whether I go even help her, make it put her for house. Whether I go put her for house, because Tonto just the happy, say he has don't get problem now, you know. So this boy, he go know the time when he tell no Tonto. Since when this guy tell no Tonto, now in life useless, rich like this. So he not going as in the fear of Tonto is the beginning of wisdom. He go know the time when he tell no Tonto. Hey, this matter what they look so. Tonto don't really deal with this guy, don't be small. He don't finish Kpokpgiri. Make it never be said that Tonto even get on this side, because the way she they do, the way she they happy, the thing they see they surprise me. You understand, my people? The thing really, the thing they surprised me, you know. So I might put the video where Kpokpgiri talk and the one way to dig it in the year. I will put a moon and see. Thank you, my people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
How's this money? I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. See the next thing, FCDA came and they started demolishing my house without giving me a notice. I don't know the person that paid them to do this. See, you can see the caterpillar. You can see where they are demolishing my house without my notice. I'm a journalist, but see, they have the right to give me notice. They have the right to give me notice. They have the right to give me notice. I want to know who is doing this. Nigeria, you people should see what is happening. I'm in my house this morning. FCDA came without giving me notice. They started demolishing my house. See, people can see them. See, people can see. My children is inside the house. I don't know what is happening. I have all my documents. I have my building approval. I have everything inside the house. They came without notice, and look at what they are doing. They start demolishing my house without no single notice. I don't know what is happening. It's just a week ago. See, they came to write in my gate. See, the next thing I see, they came and start demolishing my house. Look at the people. I'm going live already. Yes, I'm going live already. Look at them. I don't know the person that sent them. I don't know what happened. This is exactly what you people are seeing now, is what I'm seeing. And my children are inside the house. Shy people can see. My children are inside the house. I have visitors inside the house. These people just came and started demolishing my house without no reason. Hey. Oh, this war, the war have started. You can see the men. I don't know what happened. They came and they started demolishing my house. Sure, people are seeing. Come. Where Dennis? Tell him make you remove my vehicle. My vehicle is there. Tell him to wait so that they can remove my vehicle. Where Dennis now? Come. Come. See, tell him I want them to remove my vehicle. Go.